I'm making some budgie food. Yay! Gonna need a bowl, straw Barbies, all-purpose flour, and some birdseed, cold tap water. Make sure the food is for parakeets and stuff. Gotta go wash your hands for sanitary reasons. Yay! That was a good washing. Yay! I'm just gonna kind of move this right here for a quick sec. Make sure you wash and rinse your strawberries. They can include pesticides. Spray. Yay. Clean work desk. Wow. Knife. Cut the straw Barbie. These ones I cut look like hearts. Yay. This one looks like a bow tie now. Yay. Nice and diced. Into the bowl they go. Yeah. This is hard doing everything with one hand. Much better. Bird seed. Wow, entertainment. Time to put in some flour. Entertainment. Again. I put in one more spoon of flour just in case. Time to get me some water. I need a cup if I want to get some water. This blue cup reveals several green cups. Yay, water. Push. Push. Yay. Now mix it.
When you mix it,
Tweet. I don't think it's supposed to look like this. But you shouldn't have this. But, well, I'm not sure they shouldn't. But just put a tiny bit. Or 3 drops is good. Actually, maybe one more. Okay. That did nothing. More flour. That looks a lot better. I lied, it looks disgusting. I put some corn in there. Can budgies eat corn? I don't know. They can. They like it soft though. I don't have any soft corn. Time to shape this into little ball things. Never mind, it needs a lot more flour. And bird seed! I think that's all of it. My spoon got dirty. No one said this was gonna be easy. Pause it. Now you're done making these. Preheat it to 350. I snoozled. Look at the cute couple. Yay. This takes a lot longer than you'd think. Time for some entertainment. Say something weird. He said pencils. Would you take a look at that snout? It's Halloween, so get ready for your... Yeah! Since I'm bored. Halloween, get ready for your daily spook. Yeah! I feel like no one really appreciates Thanksgiving anymore. So, move on out, turkey. Actually, I want to keep you. You're a good class turkey that holds candles. Yay. Preheat already! Oh, I haven't paused it yet. Fox, it's real creepy. How dare you? A blank piece of paper. Oh boy, it's time to cook this. Dude.
for how many minutes?
I believe 5. It's 5 minutes. Yay. It's 2:13 o'clock. I'm like, wait.